I love working with Kunal.
He's an actor that I saw is really, really hardworking, and he doesn't let anything go off.
Vivan, you know what I mean?
You know what I mean, Vivan?
He's not really happy with any take he gives. He's always working towards his take to, better.
He's quite obsessive about his look, his role, his dialogues. He never thinks he does anything nicely.
He just came in and became Vivan. I think he's done a great job.
He used to call up at 7 o'clock in the morning and say, I want to dub again. Why? No, I think can be better. So again at 9 o'clock we used to dub. मुझे तो लगता है कभी कि वो प्रीव्यू में आके डब करेगा.
Vivan's introduction where he meets Konkana for the first time and he's got this hamburger which is sort of out of control in his hand. I think that scene has turned out to be really, really nice. I won't say it was a lot of fun shooting that scene because I think for the first time in my life I've eaten so much. I've ended up eating some 16 hamburgers and 3 bottles of mayo because Dada, being the perfectionist that he is, insisted that the mayo has to fall in the right place.
We had to bring out a character who is, I won't call it clumsy, but carefree. Casually, it dropped, he looked at it, like that, and again this. And the reaction of Konkona immediately after that, while she was talking. There are things that happen. You don't create them.
A hamburger scene with Mr. Pradeep Sarkar to really realize what a risky shot is because it's really injurious to you.
मेरे दिल में एक बिजली जैसे है कड़की थोड़ी बहकती हुई थोड़ी चहकती हुई गुमसुम सहमती हुई कैसे जाल बिछाती है पगली.
It's a very cute, very romantic song.
एक टेढ़ा मेढ़ा सा लड़खड़ाता सा लड़का मेरे दिल में वो शोले जैसा भड़का कभी हिचकिचाता हुआ कभी खुल के गाता हुआ बातें बनाता हुआ फिर भी हमको वो पाता है पगला.
Most fun to shoot. I was in a speedboat. I got on a helicopter for the first time in my life. I had to stand on top of a hill in one skimpy white frock and I was freezing cold.
Very difficult to get a chopper and a plane in one position. Plane in front of the chopper and then Konkona in the background. Not possible. Chroma shot.
Lots of fun. We shot the song in Switzerland. The nice thing about the song is that it tells a story about me and Konkana falling in love. बहुत बुरा डांसर हूँ. I think Konkana is as bad a dancer as I am. And when Abhishek's on the set, he just has so much fun. And before you know it, that energy that he brings to the set starts, it's so infectious that, it becomes a part of you as well.
We the cool champion, always number one, never play with us. We are son of a gun.
नवेली मैं हूँ छैल चबेली मेरे पास नहीं तुम आना मेरे चक्षु कटारी जादू की पिटारी तुम्हें पड़ जाएगा पछताना. कच्ची कलियां मत तोड़ो मालन देगी गालियां कच्ची कलियां मत तोड़ो मालन देगी गालियां.
Kachchi Kaliya, which when we first heard it, honestly I was kind of in double minds whether the song is nice or it's not nice, and I kept asking Dada, is it nice? And Dada completely loved the song. So it's entirely Dada's conviction with the way we were going with the song.
That's right.
और अपने पग को हिलाओ मैं.
कच्ची कलियां हम न तोड़े ले जाए पूरा बागीचा कच्ची कलियां हम न तोड़े ले जाए पूरा बागीचा.
कच्ची कलियां मत तोड़ो is a traditional this thing, but we took it further and he says कि कच्ची कलियां हम न तोड़े ले जाए पूरा बागीचा.
ये करो.
No, please, चल ready, चल ना. Ladies and taking.
Hey, बाबलू और डोंडा don't sound.
पीछे हंसिए.
जिंदा रहे. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I was terrified. I said, there's no way I'm going to be able to do this song. I begged Dada. I told him, please exclude me from the song. Let me stand and watch. But of course, Dada completely dismissed me.
Please, मुझे जाने दो. अरे क्या री में खप से पकड़ते.
कलियों के गालों पे दिल है और कानों में वालियाँ. कलियों की आंखें नशीली पर कलियों की आंखें नशीली पर होठों पे गालियाँ.
Before going into it, I was really stressed, but towards the last couple of days, I was actually enjoying doing the song, and that was because Abhishek was having so much fun.
Good because चश्मा नहीं दो यार. यानी छेले के बोलूँ ना चश्मा रख दीजिए चश्मा रख के चले गए.
You take my It has quite an energetic, lively kind of a feel.
Pradeep kept on saying that he wanted a typical shadi number, so he wanted this folk element in it.
And we had great fun shooting the song because it was the only song in the film that the whole cast was there, and everybody like danced and danced and danced. Hi, I'm Natasha.